So hey guys, what's up? What is your host Mr. Namaste back with a new amazing video once again, guys. So basically, you have recently have seen that whenever I try to get back to the older version of the YouTube, basically you don't really see that option now. But if you really miss the old YouTube and you really don't find a way, so this video is for you guys. So let's get started with this video, guys. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead to your YouTube itself, and once you're here, what you need to do is just go ahead, press F12, or go ahead to the developer tools by this. And once you're there, just go ahead to the application tabs itself, and once you're here, just go ahead and tap on the cookies. So once on your cookies tab, make sure that to go ahead and just select the pref tab itself, and once you're here, just go ahead and paste this code, and this is what we really want to do and that's it. So just go ahead and just paste this code up, and just go ahead and close this, and last but not the least, just go ahead and refresh this page, and boom, that's it. So now your old YouTube is back without the need of that option once again. So not only that, guys, if you close your browser also, now you whenever try to relaunch your YouTube again, it will open again with the older version of itself. And not only that, in case if you miss the new version of YouTube, just go ahead and remove this code. So that's up to you. So I hope this small video is really helpful. For more videos like this, just go ahead and check my channel for more. Bye guys, your host Mr. Master. See you in my next video. Signing out.